Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 70. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transit Pass and select Transit Pass you would like to add. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to the Loyalty Card because you have to select the shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your passes will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.